won $500,000. Sounds too good to be true.
Call for Action's Keith King shows you the new ways to trick you into believing it's legit.
Yeah, Mark and Krista, good afternoon. Better Business Bureau issued a warning about this lottery scam earlier this week. The con artist calls you up claiming that you've won $500,000, $500,000, and they use an impressive sounding website to convince you that this offer is legit. It's everyone's dream. Win the lottery, retire from work, travel the world. The Better Business Bureau now warns us not to fall for the latest lottery scam. A caller contacts you claiming you've won $500,000. Only thing, they need $5,000 from you for delivery insurance. If you have doubts, they direct you to the U.S. Consumer Protection Bureau website. Sounds impressive. Only problem? That organization and website are fake. Plus, a phone number on the bogus site directs callers to someone who's also part of the scam. So here is what you can do to protect yourself from scams like this. First, don't pay to claim a prize. Be suspect if you are asked to wire money or use a prepaid debit card. Make sure the offer is real. Don't just take the caller's word for it. Also, the only legal lotteries in this country are state-run. And remember, you can't win a contest if you didn't enter it. Finally, be sure to remind the aging relatives that you know, such as parents, grandparents. They are the most vulnerable when it comes to scams like this. For Call for Action, I'm Keith King.